Today we are going towards paper 2, variant 2, O-level mathematics, and it is a calculator paper over there. And if I talk about calculator paper means you are allowed with calculator and calculations can be done because it can be little bit complex or long multiplications and divisions over there or maybe trigonometric values. Here I highlight kindly subscribe my channel and so that the solution of latest papers related to sciences in which physics, chemistry, bio and math, you will be getting the solution of the latest papers over there easily via notification, and latest papers will be updated uh, time to time, inshallah. And here today we are going towards paper 2, variant 2, May, June 2025. Let's move. This is a paper of 100 marks over there. Okay, let's go towards our question number 1. This is the formula sheet which will be given inside the paper over there. Okay, for question number 1, he is saying the diagram shows part of a pattern with rotational symmetry of order 4. Order 4 means I will rotate the picture for 4 times and I will get a balanced picture over there, and my value is going to stay for 4 times over there. For that purpose, I will say here that I am using here, if this is my position number 1, this is my position number 2, this is my position number 3. And every time if I take a corner over there, it is 1 block forward. At the corner, 1 block forward. At the corner, 1 block forward. And here at the corner, 1 block forward should be shaded to get as the position number 4. And it should be shaded also. And it should be linked like this, and this is the rotational symmetry of 4 for this question over there. Okay, this is rotation, and sometimes it is given with the help of mirror images line over there to shade some squares in this type of question over there. Let's move to question number 2 there, where he is saying write 18,000 and 12 only. So it means there will be 18,000, it means 10,000 is talking over there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So 18,000, 12. 12 is for ones and tens over there, and 0 at hundreds place. So it will be written as 18,012 over there. After that, he is talking, write down a prime number between 20 and 30. 20 and 30, first of all, what is prime number there? Prime number is the number which is not divisible by any other number over there. For example, only 1 will be the factor and that number will be the factor for that number over there. For 21, I can have, for let's suppose I'm taking a sequence. 21 is having the multiple 3 and 7 like that. 22 is having 2 and 11 over there. 24 or 23 is there. So 23 is a prime number because it is not having any multiple over there. 24 is having 3, 8. 25 is having 5, 5. 26 is having 2, 13. 27 is having 3, 9. 28 is having 4 and 7 over there. 29 is not having any number, of which is not having any number which is dividing it to make its increase its number of factors over there. After that, give the reciprocal of this number. For reciprocal, we will have to invert or replace the numerator and denominator with their positions over there. So it will become 9 over 1, and 1 is dividing on any number will be ignored, and your number will be written as 9 over there for this question there. After that, in question number 3, he is talking here, write the ratio between 175 ml and 2.5 liters. Okay. For this one, first of all, for taking a ratio, it is the way how to go that use both units. This is in milliliter. It should also be in milliliter. And in 1 liter, there are 1,000 milliliter are available. So we can say 175 ml ratio 2500 ml. Now both the ratios are having the same, both the values in the ratio are having the same units. So ratio is going to cancel out them. And one now we can cancel out by the different, their multiples having their same factors over there. If I go with 175, let's use calculator here. 175 divided by 5 gives us 35. So it is 35 now. And from here we can get 500. 5 the 25, 500 is there. Again, we can see that it can go towards the simplified form, which we can say 5 7 times and 500 times. So it is the simplest one. 7 is a prime number. So 7 into 100 should be taken into account over there. After that, he is talking about in the B part for question number 3. He is saying Dan, Erika, and Fatik share $540 in the ratio of 4:5:3. All right. So Erika is at the center. So its ratio is also at the center over there. So I will say here, let's go with it. Dan, Erika, and this. So first of all, Erika share is 5 in the ratio over there. What is the sum of the ratios for calculating share? 4, 3, 7, 5, 12. 12 is there. Multiply by 540. Okay. Now, if I go with 540 divided by 12, what I get? 540 divided by 12. 540 divided by 12 equals to 45. So it is 5 multiply 45. So what we get here, multiply by 5 equals to 225 there. $225 will be the share of Erika for the amount of $540 to be shared in this form. Okay, let's move towards, oh, this is the nice question. Like 3 parallel lines are shown. And I can talk here that this is 128. This will also be 128 degree. This is X. It can be calculated in 2 ways. It is the interior angles, or we can say it is the interior angle are having the sum of 180. Then X degree will equal to 180 minus 128. So it will be going with 180 minus 128 equals to 52. So it is 52 degree over there. Okay. For calculation of y, I will say that 128 and y are corresponding angles. So y will be 128 over there. And parallel lines rules, I will say that you will have to focus about it. So x will be 52 degree and y is 128 degree over there. Let's move toward the next question. Okay, here he is saying convert meter square, 6.1 meter square into centimeter square over there. All right. As we know, centi is 10 raised to power minus 2. Centi is equal to 10 raised to power minus 2. So I will have to centimeter square. It means I will have to go with centimeter square with 10 raised to power minus 4. And when I'm going from big unit to small unit, I will have to multiply it. 6.1 because meter is big one, centimeter is small one. Multiply by 10 raised to power 4 and it will be giving me answer 61. 1, 2, 3 zeros should be taken into account for the simplified form of this question. After that, he is saying in the next question, all right. Here he is talking relative frequency. All right. In a survey, students are asked to choose their favorite type of movie. The table shows the results over there. Okay. Type of movie, romance, thriller, science fiction, and others. Relative frequency is 0.1, thriller is not given, science fiction and other is 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Calculate the relative frequency of student choosing the thriller. Okay, I need this one. Okay, let's go for calculation here. I will say here that it will be 1 is the total relative frequency. Let's suppose 1 minus zero point 0.1. It is just like a probability also. Minus 0.35 minus zero point 0.3 equals to 1 by 4. And if I get its answer in decimal form, then it is 0.25. 0.25 is the thriller relative frequency over there, 0.25. After that, in the second part of B over there, he is saying 500 students take part in a survey over there. Then 500 students take part in the survey. Calculate the number of students who choose science fiction. All right. So total students are 0.35 should be multiplied with them. 0.35 multiplied by 500. What we get over there? 500 multiplied by 0.35 equals to 175 is the answer for the students should be taken into account over there. After that, in question number 7, he says Chris wants to exchange $350. Okay. $350 for euros at the bank. The bank only gives euros in multiples of 5. The exchange rate is $1 is equal to 0.92. Calculate the number of euros he receives and his change from $350. All right. So the best way where they give them, that is, for example, 320 will be easily given, but the remaining will be taken from 0.92. So if I go for it, then he is saying that uh, how he will talk. He will talk like 320 he will get completely over there, and 350 he will give over there. Okay. First of all, I say convert all the dollars into euros over there. So euros will be taken by multiplying 350 with 0.92 because it is dollars. 350 multiply by 0.92 over there. Then what will be the value? 350 multiply 0.92 over there is equal to 322. So it is 322 total. So how much they will pay to her is in the form of notes of 5 euros, multiples of 5 euros. So 322 is the total value, and 320 she can get as a multiple of 5. So 322 divided by 5, because he is saying how many numbers of euros he receives. He will receive 350, 320 euros over there in the form of 5 multiples over there, and change from his dollars in the form of original. So it is 320 is euros he has obtained, and his remaining his change in dollars. So now I will have to go for €2 to be converting back into that. So 2 divided by 0.92. So I'm getting the euro back over there. So it is 2 divided by 0.92 equals to this equals to 2.17. $2.17 will be given her back, and she will receive the euros of 320 in the form of 5 euros notes or coins over there. So I think so it will be cleared according to currency exchange question over there. Let's move to the next one. Find the interior angle. Calculate the interior angle of regular octagon. For interior angle, the formula is interior angle. The formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 over n. And n is, remember that n is showing here, n is showing number of sides. So as he said, it is octagon, so it have 8 sides. 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by 8. So it is 6 multiply 180 divided by 8. 6 multiply 180 divided by 8. 6 multiply 180 divided by 8 will give us the value of 135 degree. 135 degree. All right. Let's move to the next question here, where he is saying that we will have to, on the Venn diagram, shade the region represented by A intersection B. So A intersection B, we know that this is the area which is A intersection B. But he is saying here, take its, we can say, take its complement there, because that dash is representing complement. Means I will have to evolve that area. So I can say that he is taking all the area except this. So this red color is showing you here the final answer for your this question over there, which is showing that how the area should be taken for showing your final answer over there. So this is the way how the Venn diagram should be properly circulated over there. Okay, here he is saying in a class of 22 students. So there are total 22 students. All right. 12 play piano. So piano and guitar. Okay, I am saying piano here, guitar here, guitar here. Okay. So 6 don't play the piano or the guitar. So 6 are coming out. They will not be included at all. And he says 12 play piano. So 12 is piano. And what I should go for, find the number of students who play both. Let's suppose both is I'm getting X over there. Then piano is 12 minus X over there. And guitar is 9 minus X. I think so your concept behind it should be clarified now, that if I subtract X, that is common between both of them, that they play both piano and guitar, will be taking as X. First of all, who have not participated like this, I will say 22 minus 6, 22 minus 6, which is equal to 16 over there, are those students which are being divided over here. But if you just observe 12 and 9 is 21. So it is not the right answer for them, that they are exactly not sharing anything like that. So I will have to find both for them. So it means I will have to find the X value over there. So let's go add in all of these circles 12 minus X plus X. After that, plus 9 minus X equal to 16 over there. Minus X plus X gone. Minus X I'm taking on this side. Minus X. And now 12 plus 9 is 21. It is coming on this side, making X positive. 21 and 16 is also coming with minus 21. X is equal to 5 over there. So 5 are the students who play both the, we can say, piano and guitar also. Okay, now he is saying simplify this. All right. The easiest way, go for cutting over there, or go for highest power towards that. Where the highest power is present, base and powers added or subtracted over there. So I'm saying in case of the Vn, I'm taking x square down because x cube is down there, and I'm taking y square up. Then I'm writing there 7 y power 5 minus 2 over x power 3 minus 2 over there. And if I write in the form of after subtraction 7y cube over x. So this is the easiest way to write the answer 7y cube over x. This is indices question and we will have to go with it. Okay, now he is moving towards simple interest. Okay. Zaya invests $4,500 in a saving account. Okay. The account pays simple interest of at a rate of 3.2% per year. All right. Calculate the value of the investment at the end of 5 years. So as we know, the simple interest formula is I is equal to PRT over 100. So interest should be calculated. P is the premium, which amount is invested over here. That is 4,500. Multiply rate is 3.2. Multiply time is 5 years divided by 100. So let's go for its simplification a little bit and directly put it into the calculation over there. I'm just writing it here. 4,500 multiply 3.2 multiply 5 divided by 100. You are getting the value that is 720. So the amount which you have obtained is $720. And he said, calculate the value of the investment at the end of year. So I will have to add 4,500 also there. 4,500 plus 720. He will get plus 720. Okay. Let's do it also with the 720 over there. Plus 720. And we are getting value. How it happened? 4,500 plus 720. Wait a second. 4,500 plus 720 equals to 5,220. Okay, this is the total value which he will obtain as its answer, $5,220. After that, he is saying Aisha invests $2,750 in a different saving account. This account is compound interest with its values. All right. Then he is saying calculate the amount of interest. Now he is not talking about the total amount. So she receives at the end of 3 years and rate is 2.1%. So compound interest formula is basically we can say interest, only interest I want to calculate. Then I will say here that first of all, there will be premium into 1 plus rate. Rate was equal to R over 100 whole power n will be the time, n will be the number of years over there. Should be subtracted from the original amount like a premium over there. So I can say here premium is 2750 into 1 plus 2.1 over 100 whole power 5 minus 2750. So this is the way how I can go over here. Let's go for its calculation on the calculator completely. Just putting all of these values to get this answer over there. Just look at here what I am doing. 2750 multiply by bracket start 1 plus fraction introduced 2.1 and after that 100 bracket close. This is get its answer first. Answer is this. Okay, 2807 minus 2750 minus 2750 equals to 234 like that, 231 like that, 57.75 over there. I think so. Something I have done wrong. Oh shit. It was the power 3. It was power 3 at the end of 3 years. Wait a second. Let's do its correction over there. This power is 3 equals to this 2926 minus 2750 equals to 176.91. 176.91. Always try to memorize the formulas of simple interest and compound interest over there. Okay, let's move to the next question over there, where he is saying do little bit algebra, easiest one, and we will have to go for it. Okay, so for the first one, if we say nothing is common here, so join those which have common little bit. I'm taking x as common, and then I will take my other value also, 7hx minus 21fx. After that, minus 2hy plus 6fy. Fy. Why I arranged this? I arranged hf. hf. X and y are already common. So I'm taking x as common here. 7x. 7 is also I'm taking common here. I'm taking 7 also as common over here. 7x is common. Then it is only h here. H minus 3f minus 2y common into h plus 3, h minus, because minus is taking common, inner sign will change. It will be minus 3f. So we can write it h minus 3f into 7x minus 2y. So write it h minus 3f into 7x minus 2y. This was the factorization question over there. Okay, a bag contains 9 red counters and 3 green counters. Okay, let Lee takes 2 counters from the bag at random without replacement. Okay, without replacement. All right, complete the tree diagram over there. So always remember that when we are going to do the sum of these two, we should get 1 over there. Always. So this is the method to go with it. And always try to take common over there. All right, let's go with it. 9 by 12 is there. So the remaining is 3 by 12. Now 1 is selected and 9 is going towards 8. You will remain here with 3 by 11. 3 by 11. And for the next one, as 3 by 12 is already selected one, it will be going with 2 by 11 here and 9 by 11 over here. Why I took 9? Because 9 is here, is not selected and coming as it is here for coming from this tree over there. So this was our completing this tree diagram of the probability over there. Work out the probability that both counters are red. Both are red. So 9 by 12 multiply 8 by 11. 9 by 12 multiply 9 by 12 multiply was 9 by 12 multiply 8 by 11. 8 by 11. Okay. 3 3 the 9, 3, 4, the 12, 4, 1, the 4, 4, 2, the 8. It will be 6 by 11 over there. Okay, this is the circle question of 14 over there, where he is saying PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. APB is a tangent to the circle R. All right. So is tangent. It is 37 and it is 85. Find the angle PQS. P, Q, and S we need to calculate over there. For this question, PQS, if I just look here, this is the way how to calculate this angle plus this angle. If I look here, if 85 is given, this angle is also included, then the line exterior angle will be taken as opposite angle towards this one, as the exterior angle of a triangle with the tangent to be made over there will be equalizing to the opposite angle inside the triangle. So it should also be 37 degree over there. It should be 37 there. After that, QRS. QRS. Now I need this angle over there. If I get this angle as 37, I can also get this angle also from this triangle over there. Let's do 180 minus 37 minus 85. 180 minus 35. Sorry, 37. 37 minus 85 equals to minus 42. I have not taken the 180. Wait a second. 180 minus 85 minus 37 equals to 58. So this angle is 58 over there. And if I look, Q, R, S, and P is a quadrilateral. All the four vertices are touching the circle over there. Then in this case, opposite angle of R and P will have their total sum of 180. So 180 minus 58 will give me the angle of QRS. 180 minus 58 over there equals to 122 degree. It is 122 degree should be taken as in the form of angle over there. Okay, now he is going towards a sequence over there in which he is talking about pattern of given angles over there. And let's move towards it. Okay, here is question number 15. Here he is saying the pattern is there are four patterns of a sequence with from black band beads and from white beads over there. Pattern 1 showing 5 1, then he is showing 4 3 7 3. Okay, and he is increasing over numbers. All right. Now if we look that number of 5 5 7 9 11, then it will be 13. After that, 6, 4, 10. Then it is adding here 4. It is adding here 5. It is adding here 6. It will be adding here 7. That is 28 over there. Okay, I think so you have got what I did here. Now, he is saying, find an expression for the number of white beads in the pattern. White beads. In the white bead, if we observe number of white beads there, that is 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. What is being added? That is 2. So 2, n. What should I add or subtract to get my first value? When I put n with 1 over there, then I will have to add 1 over there. I will have to add 3 over there because 2 into 1 plus 3 will equal to 5 over there. So this is the way how to write an expression that is 2n plus 3. Otherwise, you can also use the formula an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. A1 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 and d was 2. So it will be 2n minus 2 plus 5 will give 2n plus 3 over there. The total number of beats in pattern n. So if we observe there is a pattern of the whole number which is getting 1 added each time to get the next value over there. So for that one, a quadratic expression will be formed which can be calculated on the basis of its sequence, where I say 1 by 2n square plus 5n by 2 plus 3. This is the sequence which will give the sequence of adding one term, total number of beats. 1 is going towards 6, 2 is going towards 10, 3 is going towards 15. So what should be the expression for it? You have 1, 1, 1 in the next pattern. So it is n plus 1, and then you are getting 4, 5, 6 sequence over there. Okay, now he is going towards the next section of question. See this part. He is saying that Bill has 88 white beads, but lots of black beads. 88 white beads, lots of black beads. Pattern P is the largest possible pattern he can make using these beads. Work out the value of P over there. Okay, so he has 88 white beads. 88 white beads. So white beads were getting their sequence as we have done the sequence of 2n plus 3 equal to 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3 should be equated by 88, and it will be 85 divided by 2 over there. 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4.5. So we can say here he will get the total sequence with the help of these white beads will be equating as 42 over there to complete that figure. After that, he is saying the population of Kenya is this, the area of Kenya is this, population density in kilometer per square. So the best way is divide the people by area. Means 5.71 multiply 10 raised to power 7 divided by 6 multiply 10 raised to power because I don't need to convert it into meter square or like that, because answer is in kilometer square over there. 6 multiplied 10 power 5 over there. Let's go with the calculator, or you can also do little bit by your mental math over there. So I am introducing a fraction over here. Fraction introduced, and in the numerator 5.71 multiplied 10 raised to power 7 and divided by 10 raised to power 7. Wait a second. 10 raised to power 7. And now I am taking it 6 multiply 10 raised to power 5. 6 multiply 10 raised to power 5 equals to 571. It means it is 95.16 people are living on that area over there. 95.71. 95.71 and approximately equal to 96 people per kilometer square are living in that area over there. F of x is this. Go for this is the functions question over there. F of x is here he is saying f of x is equal with -8. F of -8 will equal to 10 minus 8 over 3. It is going towards 10 plus 8 because minus minus plus over 3. This is 18 over 3, which is equal to 6 over there. This is the value for this question. Now he is saying go with g of x to calculate g inverse of x. The best way is take this g of x equal to y. Y is equal to 4x plus 3. After that, make x as a subject. So y minus 3 is equal to 4x and x is equal to 4 uh, y minus 3 over 4. This is your x. And as we know, g of x is equal to y. We have let this, and x is equal to g inverse of y over there. So replace here g inverse y will equal to y minus 3 over 4, and your g inverse of x will also be equal to x minus 3 by 4. Okay, in the 18th question, he is saying 300 students take part in a competition, the table below. All right, calculate and estimate mean over there, mean score over there. First of all, I will have to take the middle values as class marks over there. 0 plus 30 divided by 2 will be 15. 30 plus 40, 70, that will be 35. 40 plus 60, that will be 50. 60 plus 70 is 65. I'm getting the middle value, okay? 70 plus 100 will give me 85. Yeah, 85 over there. So we will have to take frequency also being given over there. It means I will have to go 15 with 24 plus 35 multiplied by 70 plus 50 multiplied by 88 plus 65 multiplied by 76 plus 85 multiplied by 42 there over sum of all the frequencies 24, 70, 88, 24 plus 70 plus 88 plus 76 plus 42 over there. Let's go on the calculator to get our mean over there. So I am getting my values to be taken. Wait a second. All right. Let's go with it. How to go with it? First of all, start the bracket. 15 multiply 24. Bracket close. Plus. Again, bracket start. 35 multiply 70. Multiply 70. Bracket close. Plus. 35 multiply 70. 50 multiply 8. 50 multiply bracket I want to introduce. Wait a second. 50 multiply 88. 50 multiply 88. Bracket close. Plus 65 multiply 76. 65 multiply 65 multiply 76. Bracket close. Plus 85 multiply 42. 85 multiply 42 bracket close equals to 15720. 15720 over. Again, to get calculated so that denominator sum can I can calculate. Okay. 24 plus 70 plus 88 plus 76 plus 42 equals to 300. So it is 300. Okay, let's go for calculation again. Now the calculation is 15720 divided by answer equals to this equals to 52.4 over there. So this is the way how to calculate our 52.4 it was. So how to calculate the mean of this question? This is the way to go with it. 52.4 over there. After that, here he is saying that on the grid, complete the histogram to represent the data over there. So one he has done for us 30 to 40 up to frequency density over there. So the method is to get the frequency density value like he has obtained here as a 7, that the frequency should be divided by its difference, 32 by 50 over there. Like he is saying 70 over 30. Here he has done for us is 30 to 40. Then it is class difference divided by what will be it? Take the difference of class. Like what is the difference of class? Like 10 here. Here it is 30. Here it is going to be taken as 20. Here it is taken as 10. Here it is taken as 30 again. So for getting the class density values, what we will have to do, like he has done for us, 70 divided by 10 was 7. This is already done there. Now, 88 divided by 50, 76 divided by 10, 42 divided by 30, and 24 divided by 30 also. Okay, let's get these values first, then we are going to simplify it. 24 by 30. 24 divided by 30 equals to 4 by 5. In the form of decimal, it will be 0.8. So first one is 0.8 for 0 to 30 there. All right, let's go to next one where he is saying 7 is already done for us. 40 to 60. 40 to 60, it should be 20. It should be 20 there as a difference. So 0, 0, 2, 4, 8, 4. So it is for 40 to 60, it is going towards 88 divided by 20. 88 divided by 20. Let's go for it. Wait a second. 88 divided by 20. 88 divided by 20 equals to this equals to 4.4. So it is 4.4 should be taken. After that, 76 will divide with 10. That will be 7.6. 60 to 70 is, we are saying it is going to have value of 7.6. And the last one, 42 divided by 30. 42 divided by 30. 42 divided by 30 is giving us the answer 7 by 5, which is equal to 1.4. 70 to 100, 1.4 over there. Let's go for plotting on the graph over there. 0 to 30.8. Okay. It is 1, it is 0.8. Shade this area also. Okay. After that, 40 to 60. That is 4.4. This is 4, 4.2, 4.4. It should be shaded like this. Okay. After that, he is going towards 60 to 70, 7.6. This is 7.6, 7.6, 7.2, 7.4, 7.6, 7.2, 7.4, 7.6, and its range is 60 to 70 only. So this will be the mark for this question over there. After that, he is saying from 70 to 100, it is 1.4. So it is 1, 1.2, 1.4. So this is the histogram over there, which we will have to draw on this graph over there. Okay, I think so you have got how to do it completely. Okay, now he is saying that this is a graph. Okay, and we will have to plot the graph also, but first we will have to go for this value here and -3 to put here. X will be replaced with -3 cube minus 5 into -3 plus 4. It is -27 minus minus plus 18 plus 4. 22, it is -5. So -3 should be plotted with -3 should be plotted with -5. -3 with -5. -3 with -5 will be here. Okay. After that, he is saying -2 with 6. -2 with 6. This is 5. This is 6. After that, he is saying -1 with 8. -1 with 8. -0 is with 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, he is saying 1 with 0. 2 with 2. 3 with 16. 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This. So join all of these points like this. This point, then this point, then this point should be joined, and getting a cubic curve over there of the graph with these values of data which is given. By drawing a suitable straight line on the grid, find the solution of the equation. This means a straight line I want to get, which is touching all of these 3 points over there. I'm getting here a line by drawing a straight line over there. I'm getting this x value should be written over there as 2.1, 2.1 over there. And then I have got here 0.1, that is 0.1, and in the last he is having the value -2.1, -2.1 like that. This is just like a rectangle where he is saying length and widths are given, and we will have to go for its simplification to show that CD is equal to x minus 1. CD is equal to x minus 1. So 2x minus 3 minus x minus 2 over there. So 2x minus x is x, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 will give us x minus 1 over there. So this is the way how to go with it. Okay, here it is done for this question over there. Let's check the next part over there. The area of a rectangle is 1 by 5 area of another rectangle, 1 by 5. Okay, form an equation which simplifies this. So if we look here, it is if it is x, then it is this one is x minus 2. This one was, we have calculated x minus 1 as it is. And on the other end, if it is x plus 3 and x is this, then it is 3 over there. So its total area is 3x minus 3. Okay. And in the big one area, I will say x plus 3 into 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, how it is coming on? X into 2x, 2x square. Okay, 2x square with the 6x minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. So he said over there, according to that relation, he said that rectangle, this is 1 by 5 of the area, so that x square minus 6x plus 3 is giving on 2x square 2x square plus 2 3 the 6x minus 3x minus 9 is coming 2x square plus 3x minus 2x square plus 3x minus 9 minus 9 is equal to 1 by 5 of this is equal to what? Is equal to 3x minus 3. 3x minus 3 over there. So we will have to go for simplification of it. All right. It is making us 15x minus 15 equals to 2x squared plus 3x and minus 9. So 2x squared minus 12x minus 24 equals to 0. Go for 15 plus 9 is 24. 15 minus 9. Should we go for plus over there? 15 plus 4 is going for 6 over there, not 24 over there. So go for taking common 2 as it is, x squared minus 6x minus 3. It will be 15 plus. So it is plus equal to 0. And 2 is gone. And you are showing expression x squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 has been proved over there. Let's move to the next part over there. The B part of this question, solve it by using up to 2 decimal places. Use the quadratic formula to solve it. Okay. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is equal to minus b is minus x plus minus under root minus 6 square. 6 square, because negative sign will be ignored because of the even power, minus 4 into 1 into 3 over 2 into 1 over there. 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 12 over 2. So 6 plus under root 24 by 2 should be taken, and 6 minus under root 24 by 2. By using the calculator, you can get easily the roots over there. Calculate the shaded area. So it means you will have to get the x values and you will have to put those values over here. So that your area of the big figure, which is being obtained by x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, will be giving you the length and this length. Then subtract both of those areas to get the shaded area. So I will just write about a statement over here. How can we get? I will say subtract the big rectangle area minus subtract the minus small rectangle, and your x values can be easily solved. So it is just like a calculation using calculator. So I'm not trying to use too much for that purpose over there. Now he is talking about a cone with the sphere, hemisphere over there. He is saying calculate the volume of the solid over there. 14 is given and 24 is given in the form of height. So he is saying go for calculation of volume over there. It means if this is the 14, it is 7 as a radius and 7 is down also. If 7 is down also, then 24 minus 7 will be 17. And for volume, I will say here, as we know, the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, but it is hemisphere, so it will be taken with 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. Pi r should be taken again 7 over there, and h is 17 over there. So 2 by 3 pi into r is 7 cube plus pi into 7 square into 17. You will get the total volume. I have just used the formula here, and for cone the volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, because for the whole cylinder it will be pi r square h, so it should be divided by 3 also. And by getting this value on the calculator, we can simply say here fraction introduced 2 by 3, 2 over 3 multiplied by pi. Pi is a constant over there. Pi multiply 7 cube, 7 power 3. Then we can say it is going towards adding the next value, plus pi 7 square, pi pi by 3. I'm taking in the fraction form. Fraction introduced. No, this is gone for the some long over there. So here it should be pi by 3, pi above, pi over 3 multiply by 7 square, multiply 7, and the above one is 7 square, multiply by h is 17. So I am also putting some brackets over there so that not going to happening towards the wrong calculations over the calculator over there. This one. This one bracket close. Put your brackets again. Put your bracket here and put your bracket here. Let's check what happens. It is this in the form of decimal. 1590 is the answer for it. 1590. Okay. This was the total volume for it. So I will say here it is 1590 cm cube as volume over there. Let's move to question number here, B part. Show that the total surface area of the solid is 12. So we will have to take pi RL first. Pi RL plus hemisphere surface area. We need that is 2 pi r square. So it is 2 pi into 7 square plus L should be obtained by using the Pythagoras theorem over there. So for that, we will say here it is 7 and 17. 7 square plus 17 square square root. 7 square plus 17 square root will give us L over there. That is a slant height. 49 plus 289 and taking the square root. So go for calculator, introducing the calculator by here under root 49 plus 289. 49 it was, equals to 13 under root 2, which is equal to 18.38. 18.38. 18.38 into 7 into 3.14, like that. If I put all of these values into the calculator, I will get here 712 centimeters square. Okay, he's saying a similar solid of the same area is provided. Similar solid, the total surface area of similar solid is 242. Calculate the total height of the solid over there. It means radius and height I need. I will go for pi r square h by its volume. I will have to go for total area. And by using both of those formulas, I will say here that the height, which will be coming like 14, then for that purpose, I will say here that I will have to go with 24 under root 712 should divide by 242. This is this area. Then I'm using here only the similar solids ratio. Similar solids ratio over there. Okay, angle is given. Okay, he is saying calculate what? He is saying fencing is acha. The diagram shows a triangular ABC, ABBC angle is given. Calculate the number of rolls of fencing needed. The fencing needing is the perimeter. Okay, it means third side should be calculated first. So it is equal to 187 square plus 150 square. I'm using the law of cosine over here. Minus 2 into 150 into 187 and cos 112 and taking its square root also. I will get my length AC also there. So AC is being taken by putting all of these values into the calculator. We will get our AC as the value over there in the form of the result 187 square root introduced 187 square plus 150 square minus 2 into 150 bracket close into 187 bracket close into cos 112 bracket close equals to, that is 178.8757. So for the total value is going to be used 187 minus 2 into this, and cos 112 should also be multiplied over there. Cos 112 is also being multiplied over there. Minus 2 and this. Okay. I will have to introduce the bracket over here. And bracket here. Bracket here close. Take this bracket, delete, equals to why he is saying. Mm, 2 into 150 over 178.57. 7 over there. By adding all of these values and just by dividing it by 20, we get the answer that is uh, 31 over there. Okay, by adding all of these values, and that is 31 fences to be used over there. Calculate the shortest distance of B to AC. B to AC. It means it should be perpendicular over here. And 150 is already present over there. And for that one, we will use the area formula over there that will be simplified later on. And in the last question, he is talking about Zara cycles a distance of 500 meters correct to 5 centimeters over there. And he is taking 5 meters. So this takes 24.7 seconds to correct to 0.4 seconds. Calculate the lower bound of speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. Lower bound 2.5 297.5 divided by upper bound for time 24.75. Then you can calculate your value as 10 meter for this value is 20.1 meter per second will be your average speed over there. Okay, express as a single fraction. Just take the LCM. Okay, then it will be written as 5 into 4x minus 3 minus 2 into 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 into 4x minus 3 over there is equal to 20 minus 15, 20x minus 15 minus 4x minus 2 over 2x plus 1, 8x square. No need. I think so. The upper one will be going to simplify this. 2x plus 1 into 4x minus 3. 20 minus 4 is giving us 16x minus 17. And this is the single fraction. 2x plus 1 into 4x minus 3. Thank you so much. This was your whole paper. In the next video, we will be there with the next paper solution over there.